Sentence structure number 17. Have you ever?
Examples.
1. Have you ever been to New York?
2. Have you ever been to Nanjing?
3. Have you ever seen ghosts?
4. Have you ever wondered if there is life after death?
5. Have you ever heard of it? Dialogue.
I want to quit my job.
Why? What's the matter?
Nothing. I just want to change.
But you have a great job, and you've been working there for 10 years.
I know. But haven't you ever wanted to do something different?
I guess so, but it seems more prudent to just stay where I am and continue working in my current job. Sentence structure number 18. Not until.
Examples.
1. Don't tell him the bad news until he finishes his exam.
2. The secret was not discovered until he was dead.
3. I won't stop shouting until you let me go. Dialogue.
I heard that Bill got divorced.
Yes, he's really sad now.
I thought he wanted to get divorced because he didn't love his wife anymore.
Yes, but he didn't realize how much he needed her until they got divorced.
Yeah. Well, it's too late now. She already has another husband.
That's too bad. Sometimes people often don't appreciate what they have until they lose it. Sentence structure number 19. He is as.
Examples.
1. He is as poor as a church mouse.
2. He is fit as a fiddle, though he is already 70.
3. Shelley's father's always as busy as a bee.
4. The twin sisters are as different as night and day.
5. The lecture is as dull as ditch water. Dialogue.
Have you seen him run in a race?
Yes, he's as fast as the wind when he runs.
But he's not too good when it comes to studying.
One of my friends said he's as dumb as a post.
That's not a nice thing to say.
Maybe it's not nice, but it's true. Sentence structure number 20. He is either or.
Examples.
1. He is either drunk or mad.
2. It's either your fault or her fault.
3. Either you are wrong or I am. Dialogue.
Do you have the report you promised me?
What report?
You know, your work report.
Either you're kidding me or I'm getting forgetful in my old age.
I think it's the latter.
I'm sorry, I'll hand it in tomorrow. Sentence structure number 21. He is so that.
Examples.
1. I was so interested in the film that I went to see it several times.
2. It's so hot that none of us want to go out.
3. He speaks French so well that we think he is a Frenchman. Dialogue.
Can you believe the weather we've been having lately?
Yeah, it's really hot, isn't it?
It's so hot you can fry an egg on the sidewalk.
Maybe you're exaggerating a little bit.
Okay, maybe it's not that hot, but it's hot enough to get a heat stroke.
You make it sound so hot, I don't want to leave my air-conditioned house. Sentence structure number 22. He is not only, but also.
Examples.
1. He is not only humorous, but also patient.
2. He's not only a good leader, but also an eloquent speaker.
3. I'm not only going to the party, I'm also going to sing at it.
4. Not only do I support you, so do your acquaintances.
Dialogue.
Have you seen the movie Gone with the Wind?
Yeah, I think Vivian Lee is beautiful.
She's not only beautiful, she's also a talented actress.
Yes, I've enjoyed all her movies.
Which one is your favorite?
I like her best in A Streetcar Named Desire.